I recently learned the muscle up on rings, and I'm going to do my best to show you how to do it. There's a couple of prerequisites and a few small tips to make it an awful lot smoother and easier. This is my best example of what it looks like, nice and controlled. So the prerequisite is to be able to do dips on the rings. Make sure you're not shaky, make sure you're controlling the movement the whole time. The next prerequisite, which is the main tip, is to do a pull-up with a false grip. Now, a false grip is where you use your wrists more so than your fingers. Here's a clearer view. So I'm wrapping my hand all the way around. And what this does is when I get to the top and pull my shoulders forward, I'm in a dip position already. I hope this helps. After a little bit of practice, you should be able to do muscle ups in a couple of weeks.